Hello, I'm Alison, and today I thought I'd give the faux leather a go. Something I've never done, but I've always wanted to try it. And this is what inspired me, this card, which I made for my husband's birthday. It's our vehicle. So I'm going to make a keyring with this faux leather, which is a similar colour, and this over the top. Not quite sure how yet, but we'll go along as we do it. This is for weeding. This is my little penknife, look, very sharp. Scissors and a little loop keyring and some fabric glue and these ugly pinchers that I've borrowed off my husband. So we'll open the file and see what I've come up with. Right, we're in design space and I've got my template out to show you. The blue is the faux leather, which will be cut on the leather setting. The grey and the black is HTV from HTVRONT. I prefer using HTV because it's easier to weed, and that's the only reason. And we put it all together, look, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So there we go. And that's the size on the screen. 3.5 by 388. Right, so we're going to make it. It looks like it's going to cut the wheels out first. So I make sure that I mirror the screen on each item, just to be sure really, because mistakes easily happen and I'm good at making mistakes. Okay, so the faux leather, if you look, we scroll, well we don't scroll, we search for faux. Faux leather, paper thin, yeah, that's what I was looking for. And I'll leave it on default pressure. There we go. Okay, faux leather, yeah. Now we're at the vinyl, and that's going to be everyday iron on. Simple as that. More pressure, because it seems to like a bit more pressure on my vinyl. And I'll do that for both, just to make sure it cuts nice. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'm using a new mat, and I'm a lazy crafter, I'll admit. I've put the faux leather on there, the silver vinyl this side, and the black at the bottom. So I'm only doing it all on one mat really, and I'm using these, I think they're called layer vinyl mats. I got them in a deal on a Prime Day and they're really good. I was surprised, so we'll give it a go. Right, pull this forward a bit, put it in. If you hear a funny noise, it's just my electric wheelchair. Right, put that in. Wait for it to get ready. What's it cutting first? I put it in the wrong way around. Clever me. Yes, I know. This is why you use different mats. Okay, here we go again. Right. Yep. I'll unload this one and go to the next one. Now, let me see what the next one is. Right, the next is the grey or silver vinyl. So that wants to be this side. And yes, I've put it in the right side this time. Get ready. Okay, now we'll turn it round, and here's the faux leather. And yet, I've never done this before, so I'm a little bit apprehensive. Here we go. And I'll probably do a double pass, just in case, to make sure it's done properly. And we'll also have this with more pressure, just to be sure. Okay, let's see if it looks done. Let's get this, pick up a little corner. It does, but I think I'll give it another go just to be sure. Right, let's see what we've got. Looks like I'm having a bit of trouble getting this off. Very sticky, these mats. Let's have a look. They say to bend the mats, but look, it's not really. Ah, there we go. There we go. Very floppy, but there we have it. So now I need to get this one off and get it weeded. Oh, these wheels are tiny. This will be fun. I say. Right, here's all my bits I've weeded out. So let's get this together. Right, I've got my little iron. So that's for this side. I'm gonna put this on. The good thing about HTV, you can move it about to get it where you want it. They're permanent. It's down pretty quick. I think that looks about where I want it. So this is my first layer, and this is the beginning bit. So, we'll put this on for 15 seconds. And then the other side. But make sure you've got this bit covered. Or you might touch it with your iron. Okay. I think the wheels are going to be quite funny to put on. But we'll see. Let's have a look. Oh, that's quite pretty. Okay. It's quite thin, this faux leather. I mean, it was only a cheap one off Temu. Temu. So I don't really have anything to compare it with. Right, let's give these little wheels a go. Oh, I should have put a go faster stripe on it. Have a look. Yeah. I don't talk much when I'm concentrating. No. Okay, doke. Right. Now I need something to put over that. Otherwise, I'll burn it. That's not the best idea. Ta-da! I told you I'm a... Okay, turn this off. Let's have a look. I think this is a cold pail. Could be wrong. And I might give it another go over in a minute. I was a bit wary with it being delicate. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go over it again. It's still hot. Let's give it a go. Okay, I'll put this on. This is my little key ring loop, and I'll roll this up very gently because it's still quite warm. Okay, that wasn't really that gentle. There we go. And now, it would help if I took that one off, wouldn't it? Right, so now I need to glue it. I'm using this fabric glue. I use it a bit in my sewing, so it's just this one. Hopefully you can see that there. Gently around the edges, not too close. You don't want it seeping out everywhere. Probably get my little spatula and spread it about. There we go. Right. I'm what you call a messy crafter. So I'll put that on there. I'm just going to gently squish it about, just to make sure we get it spread. Oh dear. See what I mean about being a messy crafter? Right. I should have had more light over here, you know. So now I'm going to pull that up there. I'm going to, I won't say gently because it doesn't work. Hopefully I'll get a bit of wiggle room to press it down. So I'm going to squash that exactly where I need it. Right, I'm going to go around these edges, and if anything doesn't feel like it's glued enough, I'll squidge a bit more on. What are your experiences with Temu Faux Leather? Let me know, because I've got nothing to compare it to, and I guess it's just the first go, so. Right, now I need to find something to put it down and make it really flat, like a book or something like that. Keep pressing it. Maybe it's one of my card books because they're quite heavy. A little bit on that corner. Just there. Right, I've finished gluing around the edges. If anything comes up, you can always put a little bit more in. So now I'm going to leave it on here and put something heavy on it and leave it overnight. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. And just like that, 24 hours later, my keyring's finished. It feels sturdy now the glue's dry. I love it. Let me know what you think, and if you'd like to subscribe or give me a like, I'd be very grateful. Bye for now.